Okay, this question is very easy. I think I find many people do this question is do 2/3 time 5/4. They do that. How do that? They do that. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 4 is 12. So then they find the common factor is 5. Here 6. I don't think this method is good because they do 3 times 4 is 12. They make this a big number calculate. It's easy to make a mistake for the first question. Second, they will spend more time. So my solution in my method is here. Time 5/4. So do this. Copy time 5/4. Then divide 2. They have common factor 2. Divide 2 here. Then now next step, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. 1 times 5/3 times 2, 5/6, easy one.